What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I thought I'd make this would be a quick little video review on a Mercedes grill that we actually put on a customer's vehicle. I'll put a little after video of it being actually put on the vehicle. There's no install video. This will be kind of just an unboxing and a quick review of the quality of the actual grill. So this would be like a Mercedes C250, depending on where you are in the country, what country you're in. C300 and the C350. It's called the Mercedes Diamond Grill. It's pretty much like an eBay, or you'd probably be able to pick it off of Amazon. It's one of your Chinese grills. But yeah, I'll give you guys a quick breakthrough and we'll do a quick unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. Always is a little bit difficult to do this with one hand. So kind of. Not bad at all. Alright guys, so yeah, we do got the, looks like it was C300 grill that came in. Obviously we do got all the ABS plastics and everything on there, but it's kind of cool. I didn't know that it actually came with the emblem and everything in there too. Build quality, yeah, like I said, it's just ABS plastic and then little rivets on there. This is 100% just a straight up decorative piece, but not bad, especially for the price. This is probably gonna go pretty quick too. A couple of rock chips on there. It's just like plastic with some sort of a coating over it, chrome paint or something. But overall, not a bad looking grill for sure. Build quality, I would say, pretty decent. A few little imperfections here and there, but given a grill that's made in China, not bad at all, especially for your German vehicle. But yeah, if you guys like to see more reviews like this from our channel, let us know. We'll be doing unboxings, reviews, and all that good stuff. Alright guys, we'll finish off the video right here back where we started it. I hope you guys loved that video. If you guys want to see more content, more reviews, something kind of similar to these guys, make sure you guys hit me up in the comment box. Subscribe to this YouTube video, and of course like and share, and we will see you guys in the next video. Boom.